poison, rat poison. Rat poison, rat poison. Yeah, if you make this and keep it anywhere you know that rats passes, in a twinkle of an eyes like this, it will shrink the rats and they will not smell. Yes, it dries them like meat. Okay, you pick and you throw off or you sweep them off. So what do we use? Indocin, the sachet. Indocin. Indocin is medicine we take for pains. We take it for a lot of things, for heart, for what. So this is it. Have you seen it? Indocap. So it's Indocin. Have you seen it? It's not expensive. I think two sachets of this goes for 500 or about 1,000 Uganda shillings. I don't know. But it is poison to rats. So the way to do it, we have when you remove your Indocin, see the ones we have removed, this is the Indocin powder. So you do what? When you remove, you pour out your powder. Yeah. So when you put the powder, this is mukene meat we use for cooking food. You can use any kind of fish. Depends on where you are, West Africa, South to Pichu, and all that. So this is the grinded of this. Then you carry your Indocin and pour. This is rat poison. And when you pour, you do what? You mix it in this fish. The fish will attract them to come and eat. And immediately they taste this, it will just kill them immediately. So this is it. And they will not die when they smell. It's not bad at all. You can keep this at any corner of the house. If you like, you can keep like this. If you want to, don't use this for business like people selling rats medicine. Many are selling things that are not working out there. So if you are selling there means you add little water to mold. Yes, have you seen it? If it is for people that wants to use it for business, they will also put color in order to deceive people what it is. Yeah, knowing what it is. Then, if you want to add any other thing, like say you want to add any other thing, you can add soda, baking soda. Have you seen it? Baking powder. I mean, baking powder. Yeah, baking powder is different from baking soda, you know? Yes. So, why have I put it? It will help me to glue it in blocks in case for people that are selling. This is not poisonous for adult, for human. You get it? But keep it out of the reach of children, keep it out of the reach of human. Do you know why? Because we put a lot of this in the sea. Yeah, so you just drop, not on a white thing, in a plate as a food where the rat will go and eat it. Do you know this thing can kill cockroach also? Yes, but cockroach, you know, because they do hide in hidden corners. Yeah, it will be difficult for you to know where to place this, but you can still place anywhere you believe that cockroaches goes and gather in your house. Have you seen the one molding it? Yeah, so you mold this. When you put it under the sun, it will dry properly to become strong that you can pack in a nylon and tie to use for other days. Yeah, this thing can kill even visitors. What I mean by visiting rats, like the ones that are coming from the neighborhood. Those are the ones I call visiting rats. Yeah, because somebody was telling me my problem wasn't the ones in my house, but they do come from the neighbor's side. So you just drop them where you know that they do come from. Immediately they perceive the smell of the fish, they will run to eat the fish without them knowing that this is poison meant to kill them. So that is it. That is it. This is rat killer poison. Thank you for joining. Keep subscribing and keep connecting people to this platform. Thank you. God bless you. Have a good day.